Alright, I'll call the guy, thanks.
JetBlue, Airbus, understand you're ready to go. Stand by.
Before we depart, we'd like to give some safety information.
633, monitor tower
Flight deck.
128.8. Enjoy your day.
Instruction cards which you'll find
Okay,
posted
thanks for letting me know.
show the
Captain, the
emergency
captain is secure.
life jackets. Our aircraft has
Before
8
takeoff
exits,
checklist down to the
2
line.
in the forward area,
Flight controls,
4 in the middle,
checked.
and 2 at the rear.
Flight instruments,
The emergency light
checked.
that will lead you to the
Approaching.
Briefing.
29.
the emergency exit
Are you sure about that?
and the floor markings
Flap
after the
setting.
aisle.
Here 3187.
Config 2, V1, VR, V2, flex
Runway
10.
15 right, hold short of November.
Alright, Alpha Zulu now.
On runway 900 meters remaining.
V1 is 1, 2, 0. V rotate is 1, 2, 8. V2 is 1, 3, 2. And for the flex temp, we have 5, 7 degrees. ATC. ECAM memo. Before takeoff checklist complete to the line. Before takeoff checklist, below the line. Cabin crew. TCAS. Engine mode selector. Packs. Okay, before takeoff checklist is complete. Check.
I'm sorry, PD-14 again? We're on
Ladies
station,
and
sir.
gentlemen,
Okay, very
Captain
good.
has advised that we are now cleared for takeoff.
Delta 41, I'd like to
Approaching
local for takeoff.
29.
Make it right onto Bravo to the ramp and monitor point on
On
every day.
runway 29.
right on Bravo and monitor ground to the ramp. Emirates 203 heavy. Ship with 1004, contact departure, have a good day. 1004, we'll see you. Delta 699, line up point, 22 right, traffic crossing downfield.
Delta 699, 22 right, line up point, copy traffic.
Ship with 791, do you know your entrance to the ramp yet?
Should be Foxtrot, JetBlue 791.
791, Zulu Golf, hold short to 22 right, stay this frequency.
Hey, Zulu Golf, hold short, 22 right, stay with you, JetBlue 791.
Thrust set. knots. V1.
699, the wind is calm, good takeoff.
Rotate.
Good takeoff.
Ship 203, line up point up to your right.
Line up point, 50 right, number 203.
Positive rate. Gear up.
Gear up.
Delta 41 at a breezy point flat, contact near departure.
Point climb over to departure, Delta 41, good.
Gear up.
JetBlue 54, visual 22 left.
Ship 54, 22 left, visual land, wind is calm.
Clear to land 22 left, JetBlue 54.
Autopilot 1 on. Flaps 1. Flap 0. After takeoff checklist, down the line. Landing gear. Flaps. Packs. After takeoff, checklist completed to the log.